Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? It's me, Engineer Shahid Inam. Our today's lecture is scalar product or dot product. We have two types of vector products. One is scalar or dot product, and another one is the vector product. In this lecture, we will discuss the scalar or dot product. Scalar product or dot product means when two vectors multiply and the result is a scalar quantity, then the product is said to be a scalar product. Mathematically, it can be written as a dot b is equal to ab cos theta. Here we can write the first equation as a dot b is equal to a cos of theta into b. This a b cos theta means a cos of theta into b. This a cos theta means the projection of a on b. Let us suppose we have two vectors, this one vector a and the on x axis vector b. Then the projection of this vector a on x axis will be uh, this will be a cos theta. If theta is equal to 0 degree, that is the angle between the b and the projection of a on both are on the x axis, so the angle between them will be 0 degree. And if it is 0 degree, then cos of 0 we know that it is equal to 1 if cos of 0 is equal to 1, and we put cos of 0 is equal to 1 in the first above equation, then the a dot v is equal to ab, which is the maximum value on angle 0. Now let us discuss from where this a is equal to a cos theta projection of a on b equation comes. We know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So here in this triangle, the base is this one and hypotenuse is this one. So the base here is b, or we can name it as a. In subscript I have written b a b. A b means the projection of a on b. So putting the values in the equation cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, we get cos theta is equal to ab divided by a, and from here ab is equal to a cos theta. So this is the projection of a on b. Here AB and B are on the same axis, so angle between them is 0 degree. Now if the two vectors to be multiplied are parallel, that is the angle is 0, then putting theta is equal to 0 in cos theta, that is cos 0 will give you the value 1. And if we put the angle 0, the answer will be a dot b is equal to ab, because if we put the value of cos 0 is equal to 1 in above equation, the answer will be ab, and this will be the maximum value. Now if the two vectors to be multiplied are perpendicular, that is angle is 90 degree between them, then theta is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90, we know cos 90 is equal to 0, and if you put cos 90 is equal to 0 in the above equation, we will get a dot b is equal to ab into 0, and anything multiplied with 0 is 0. So a dot b is equal to 0. This will give you minimum value. So remember, in scalar or dot product, if the two vectors to be multiplied are perpendicular to each other, the answer will be 0, and if the two vectors to be multiplied are parallel to each other, the answer will be maximum value. Now let us explain this example, and you will observe the practical use of this scalar product or dot product. Let us suppose we have this object, this is any object, and we apply a force F on this object. This object will will displace in this direction. We know that work done is equal to F dot S. If we apply a force F on this, there will be some displacement in it, and if both the force and displacement are in the same direction, then obviously the angle between them will be 0. And if we put it in here, if we put it here instead of in place of theta, that is theta is equal to 0, cos 0 will give you 1, and the answer will be W is equal to F dot S into 1, which is Fs. And the work done will be maximum. If we want to apply maximum, if we want to have maximum work done, then the force and displacement should be parallel to each other. That is, the angle between them should be 0 degree. And if the force and displacement here makes 90 degree, then there will be no work done here. Thank you for watching the videos. In next video, in next lecture, we will discuss the vector product or cross product. Remember to subscribe the channel for more videos.